Hello world, I'm Reza from Georgia and this is project 1 with Django. It's called Wiki and this project is from CS50w Programming with Python and JavaScript course. So, these are my files and let's run server. This is my index page. I changed some styles, positioning, hovers, and this list design and other styles too. So the sidebar with search field and navigation links, they're working. Let's see. Entry of CSS. I can go directly from here to any entry listed here. Gate, for example. They're working. Okay, let's see. This entry page says its content. I can edit from here. I'm on Wiki Road and it's HTML entry. Let's change it. Let's try CSS. I got redirected to CSS entry. Let's try entries that does not exist. Java, for example. Java. I got error, invalid entry name, and I can return to home page from here. It worked. Okay, now let's check this search field. Let's type CSS, and I got redirected to the CSS entry because there was exact match CSS. Let's try Py, and I got all results of Py. Python. Okay, now let's try O. All results of O, Python. HTML. It's working. Now let's try keyword that does not have results. F, for example, and nothing found error, and I can return to home page. So search field is working. Now let's try creating new page. Let's type its title, JavaScript, for example, and its content, JS, anything. And I can submit it. I'm on new road. This is my Markdown content, its title, and let's hit submit. And my new entry is created, and I'm on JavaScript entry, and says its content. Okay, let's try creating entries that has title which already exists. Let's try HTML. Let's type anything. Title already exists error, and my content is spec, but title must be specified that does not already exist. Okay, let's try a random page. It's working. It redirects me to random entry. I added some logic in views.py that if there's no entry specified on WikiRoad, return a random entry to user. So it's working. Let's try CSS entry. It has CSS entry here. Let's keep it empty and it's random. Okay, let's try editing page. For example, Git, edit content, and says it's Markdown content, and I can change it. Let's remove this, for example, and save, submit. It changed. I can edit it. Let's add some list. It's added and it's working. Okay, let's talk about Markdown to HTML conversion. So I use Python Markdown to library to convert this Markdown to HTML. So let's see its source, and it's converted to HTML. So everything is working. That was my project 1, and this is CS50.